Right, so I got here the GM class, and as you may hear, the engine sound is different. Yes, that's because I went in and edited it to sound like the S class. It has the same motor sound as the S class, but you may notice it still has the same sound if I just and also it's also a little faulty because you see it's GM04, but it doesn't show up here, so it is a little faulty, but apart from that it works. So let's take it for a drive. So there you go. That's the GM class that I modified on Trainz. Thanks for watching. And also, just before I go, this engine sound has to be one of my favourite engine sounds on Microsoft Train Simulator, Trainz 2009. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.